Hi, welcome to Lab at Home series. Today's experiment is very simple. You just require a sheet of paper. Okay. So my request again is don't just see the video. Start doing it. Do this activity. Okay. And this involves the concept of air resistance, gravity, which we'll discuss at the end. First, let's have fun and let's do it. Okay. So for this, as I told you, we require paper. Okay. Preferably thick paper. Don't use cardboard, which is hard. Okay. You require paper. Okay. And if you don't use newspaper also, it will not work. After the activity, you can try with newspaper, but tissue paper, newspaper, don't use those. Better to use a good quality paper if you size. Okay. Now, shall we start doing it? So, first step is fold it. Okay. How much to fold? That's also a variation. Okay. So in the start, you can have you can do it in the trial and error basis. Then we'll have different variants. Okay. So first step, I have cut a small piece. Okay. Then I will fold it from the center till half. Okay. So actually today's activity is, I generally call it Rototos. Okay. We can term it as a paper helicopter also. Okay. So once this is done, tear that along the fold. Okay. Till the half. Okay. These becomes the blades of our Rototos. Okay, like this. Now, from this point where we are cut, go around. So, let's show. I've cut till here. Okay. Now, leave some gap, and from here, okay, try to again cut horizontally. This part and this part. Okay. So once this is done, leave some gap and then cut horizontally till the blue part. Okay. And now start folding it. That's it. Now just bend it. Don't bend it too much. That's it. Now this one is ready for test. Okay. So you can test this one outdoor. Okay. And you can actually use different materials like paper and even transparent sheet. You can try. Okay. You can make variations on the blade, on the weight. Okay, so I will make around 5 to 6 different variations on the size, blade. Then at the end I will show you. You can also try. So once the basic version is done, okay, once the basic version is done, we will make around 5 to 6 different variants. Then try it outside. Okay, then we will see how does this rotate or what happens when we throw it outside. Okay, so I will make few variants. So first version I showed you, right? This is what I made. Then I tried making few different varieties also. So this one is there. Now here I tried to increase the blade size. Okay, you can see. So the process is same, only variations is while you are cutting you can have a thicker paper and then you can cut it in the middle and then do. Okay. How to make is same as before. Now this is one variation. I got one more which is small. Okay. Then one which is has long blades and small base. Okay. Then I have one with added weight clay. Okay. Then I have one which has thick blades and a small base. Okay. Then I have one with small blades and a longer base. Okay. Let's try this outside and see how it works. Okay. And then see what is the concept behind it also. And try to see whether it works in the small distance. Oh. This is so nice. nicely it's going. This is it's wobbling a bit, rotating a little faster. Oh, it's rotating so fast. Long blades and small base. See, it goes so slow. Base is small here. It's going a bit faster. I'm sure you must have tried different variants. Okay, now let's see what's happening in this. Okay, so you can see there is a base part and there is blade. Okay, and the blades are little bit tilted. Okay, you can see. So when I use it, what's happening is because of gravity, this is coming down. Okay, and there is air which pushes it up. There is air resistance on that. Okay, and then because of the shape of the blade, the air starts going through the sideways also, the thrust which is there. Okay, so what happens is the air also starts moving in the sideways, because the air which is going from down, when it comes and hits the blade, there is a sideways movement also which happens. Okay, so what happens is the sideways force also gets balanced. Okay, so for this blade it can go in this direction, and for this it can go in this direction, and because of that it starts spinning. Okay, so the upward air resistance and the gravity are getting balanced, and the sideward is actually making it rotate. Okay, and that's the concept. Okay, rest all the weight of these things make the rototos go faster, the paper helicopter go faster or slower. Like if the weight is more, maybe the gravity is more, so it will pull it down faster and the blades may rotate faster. Okay, if the blade is bigger, it may come slowly, but it will rotate, it will come slowly. So based on what variation you want, you can change the parameters. The concept remains same. The gravity which is pulling it down, there is air resistance in the upward motion, and since the blades are tilted, the air starts moving in the sideways direction, and that makes it rotate. Okay, and again my request is, do the activity, do different variations with weight, with different blades, shape of blade. Okay, and once you do it, the concept automatically you will understand it better. Okay, so my request is, do it. If you require any help, write to us.